This is a Swing Alpha special report for October 12th, 2017. Before we go over the issue, we're just going to talk about SPY real quick. So SPY has reached 255, just as we expected, between 254 and 255 before we get a rollover. It is still possible we could get a slightly higher price, possibly 255.5 before it eventually does roll over. We definitely do not believe it will continue at this rate because price is relatively overextended. Now, moving to AAOI. This is a trade that we got in on September 20th towards close. That's this candle right here. We got in around 64 on expectation that it'll continue up because it has a very high short float, approximately 70%. All right. Unfortunately, tonight in post-market trading, price is gapping down due to earnings around 46.6, somewhere around here. Unfortunately, our stop is way up here, so we're going to take this huge hit. Now, given the really high short float, we're expecting shorts to cover in this down gap. We actually believe this gap was possibly created by the shorts so they could just cover lower. But regardless, we expect the shorts to cover, which will cause an immediate buying pressure to go back up. So you have two options. If you're in this trade, either A, you could just stop out at the open. We believe that it's going to open somewhere around 48, 49, somewhere around this region right here. But if you wanted to trade this to reduce the damage, to reduce the loss, I want you to move your stop somewhere to around 44.45, and then set your target to around anywhere between 52 and 55 up to this green line right here. So price will gap down. We expect it to gap around right here. If it gaps below, then you probably want to lower your stop even more. But we expect it to gap around here. Do not stop out. Just put your stop right down here. And then set your target right here. So you sell right here. And if neither the stop or the target is hit before the end of day, just exit the position before market close. So we expect a price around 51, 52 by end of market tomorrow. Possibly around 330, 340, 350. Just get out around then. So this is just going to minimize your loss, but we're still going to bail out at a much larger loss than we expected.